Hi friends, myself Sarika Chawla, an image consultant. And so I started with the very first layer of the garments for all the women, which can make them to look as an image maker and not image breaker. I hope you saw my very first video wherein I talked about the types of bras available in the market. But now when you know there are lot many types available, what has to be selected, what can make you feel comfortable while doing shopping. So, for that, what you need to do, you need to understand whether when you are buying a bra, what is your expectation out of a bra? What is your preference out of a bra? What colors you should buy? What size you should buy? Trust me, many women do not even know their bra sizes, and that's the reason the research says that 80% of women wear wrong size bra. Let me tell you that there are different occasions for which we buy the bra other than our routine life. So the occasions could be somebody getting married, somebody is blessed with a baby, so feeding is another occasion that you are looking for a bra. Or if you are a fitness freak, you love to go for gymming or walking, running, any sort of exercises, then a sports bra that you look at. Second is that you talk about the functionality of a bra. When I say functionality, depending on your body size, body variations, you always want some sort of convenience from your bra. There are women who want a padded bra, there are women who do not want a padded bra. There are women who want a strapless bra, but there are women who do not feel comfortable without straps. So it is always like, what is the functionality of the bra that you are looking at? Then, of course, it comes for the outfit. For what outfit you are going to buy a bra is very important. Let's say you are going to buy a bra which you want to wear under a halter neck top. Of course, you would not like to wear something where the straps are visible. And so you want some bra which hovers around the collarbone and not on the shoulder, so that straps are not visible. Let's talk about occasions. On the basis of occasions, I can show you some examples. As I said, when people are blessed with a baby boy or a girl, and then the time starts when they have to start feeding their babies, then we go for nursing bras. So how it works, nursing bras always comes with a option wherein you can open it up from here, and there it goes down so that you can feed your baby properly. So this works for nursing women. I'm sure nobody who is not a nursing woman needs this bra. So as I said, functionality matters, so occasion matters, and that's how this nursing bra helps those women who are feeding their babies. You want something for your gymming activities, sports, running, walking, then of course a sports bra is the best choice. Women, you don't need any, till the time you're not into sports, till the time you're not into any such sort of activity, gymming, yoga, aerobics, Pilates, or Zumba, or any other activity wherein you don't need a sports bra. Sometimes, yes, I would say that people find it very comfortable, and when they are especially at home, they go for sports bra as well. But otherwise, sports bras are meant for sports activities or gymming activities. Let's say if somebody wants to create a style statement. So for a style statement, people want to go for a bralette. So bralette is definitely good for those who want to wear it under denims or any sheer tops to create a style in their dress, in their outfit. So this is the best choice, right? So when you are going for shopping for a bra, make sure that you are looking for the occasion when you are going to wear it. Now next we talk about the outfit. So now about the outfit, when you know that you are wearing a halter neck top, then of course you want something which hovers around the collarbone and not on the shoulders, or you want something like a bandeau, or you want something as a strapless bra, or you want something maybe with the transparent straps. Since it becomes visible a bit, my personal choice is not for a transparent straps. I would always prefer to wear a strapless one. Choice is yours, you have to see your comfort. So as I said about the outfit, we also talk about deep V-necks. In my earlier video also I told you that plung bras are very good for those who wear deep V-necks. And the demi bra is also good for those who wear deep necks, but when it is deep V, then plung is a better choice. So as I said, when you are going for shopping, you always have to look at what is the functionality, what is the occasion, what is the outfit that you are going to wear it with. And of course, don't forget to look at the colors. Now, if I tell you there are a lot many colors coming in bra these days, but trust me guys, when you are wearing a white under a white, you ruin your image completely. You want to look amazing, but your overall personality goes for a toss. So please don't do that. White, I would say I simply avoid. What I would prefer to go for is a nude bra. When we talk about nude, it comes in different colors. There could be nude of darker version or a lighter version. So you may have different variations in nude, but nude works best under white or any other outfit. To go with black outfit, black is a must. So you should always have a black in your wardrobe to be worn under black outfits. No white under white, better to go for nude. Black under black looks amazing. Any color under the similar color works very well, but please, must have colors in your wardrobe should be a black and a nude. And as I already said, that nude comes in many shades, so you can always look for your skin tone and can go for it. So we talked about the colors also. Now let me talk about the seams. I'm sure many of us do not even look at the seams, but it plays a very, very important role. Now how? I tell you, there are different seams available in the market. So now we will be talking about the seams. I'm sure many of us do not even look at the seams, but it plays a very, very important role. How? I tell you. What are seams first of all? Seams are these kinds of stitches in the cup size. It comes in different combinations. It is a horizontal seam, we get vertical seam, we get a transversal seam or a diagonal seam, and each seam has its own function. When we talk about a horizontal seam, as you can see in this particular pattern, horizontal seams gives a pointed look to the breast and it makes it pointed, more rounded. So if you really want, as I said, it's totally how is your expectation from a bra, what is your expectation from a bra. You should always look at the seams for sure. If you really want a pointed effect, then go for horizontal seams. And now if you look at this particular bra, herein the seams are not horizontal. Horizontal is like this. It is more of a transversal. Can you see this? I'm not sure how much you can see in my video, but trust me, this is more of a transversal seam. When we talk about a transversal seam, it gives a more roundish effect, a flattening effect. When it is more diagonal, then it becomes more flattening effect. So transversal seams are also good to go with. Depends on what you want from your bra. And then there is one which is a vertical seam. Vertical seams gives you a more uplifted effect. When I say uplifted effect, because it comes like this, I'm not sure if I have something to show you here, but yes, vertical seams, as the name suggests, it comes like this and it gives an uplifted effect to your bras. Maybe something like this, though this is not seam, it is a ruching effect in the bra. But then we talk about vertical seam like this, which gives your bra a uplifted effect. So this is about the seams. I told you about the colors, we spoke about seams. Now let's talk about one more important thing which you should never forget while shopping for bras, and that is about the wiring effect. Hope you all know that today we have bras available with wire or without wire in the market. So I can show you both types. In my left hand you can see something which is without wire. In my right hand you can see something which is with wire. So how does it help? You should know, and then only you should decide whether you really need a wired bra or you don't need it at all. So wired definitely gives a uplifting effect. It holds your breast at the right place, and that's why people sometimes, yes, want to go for a wired one. So you have to see whether you really want a wired one or a non-wired one. Though non-wired do not have lesser support, but yes, due to wire, it gets a better support. Now the other effect that I can tell you about normal padded bra, which is here, or maybe a padded bra with a push-up effect. When we talk about these two, you might say that it seems similar, Sarika, but no. There is a difference. Let me tell you what the difference is. When you look at this particular one, it is a pad, right? It is a pad, but if you look at the inner side of it, it is almost same everywhere. The finish is same everywhere. But if you look at the push-up one, then in the push-up bra, you will find that the foam inside the cup size is more at the bottom part and lesser at the top. So this makes it a push-up effect. And when we say push-up means something which is pushing your breast up. So that gives again a uplifting effect. So now you need to decide that what is your requirement, whether you really want an uplifting effect. As I know that there are women who have a sagging breast and they really feel uncomfortable and they look for the push-up ones, they look for the underwired ones. So that's how padded, non-padded, wired, non-wired are different from each other. So please make your choice in a better way. Feel comfortable before selecting any bra. Look for the color, look for the seams, look for the occasion, look for the outfit, what you are going to wear it with, and then decide. Hope my video helped you in making the right selection for your bra. If you really want to understand more, do let me know what all I can cover for you. And for today, I think this is this much for today, and we can connect again in our next video, wherein we will be talking about how we should take care of our bras to give it a long life, how we should fold it, how we should store it, how we should wash it, dry it, and take care of it. Until then, stay connected, take care, bye-bye, see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel if you have not done so yet so far, and like it. Thank you, bye-bye.